Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry, that generation, year 2012, 13, 14. If you guys have one of those, and if you need to find the fuses for the heated seats, you may have up to 5 different fuses. Stay with us, we'll explain where each one of those is located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you do not waste your money, why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. We'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay in that generation Toyota Camry and every car we get at the garage. Why we do that? Because many of you will need that information sooner or later. Let's say you need a fuel pump guys, fuse, or you need a steering angle sensor. Those will not be labeled correctly. You will have abbreviations that might say something like FI. You may not have an idea that's a fuel pump guys, or fuel injection system. So that's why we're making video for every single fuse, every single relay, to save you time and money. And if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, or if you need to find a fuse, all we have to do, spend a minute or two, watch the video, find out the fuse, instead of guys spending time to find it in the service manual, instead of guys wasting money, okay, and time on parts and tools you don't need. Another thing guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers guys, and we have more than 10,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. Another thing, let us show you something quick. You have guys some special fuses and relays. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. You have those multi-block fuses, we'll put the link for them as well, for different fuses, for different relays, okay? All kinds of fuses and relays. If you need to buy some and not to waste your money, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out. So let's start on it now. So now let's explain guys, okay, where are the heated seats fuses? We'll demonstrate on 2000, okay, and 13 Toyota Camry right here. You may have up to 5 different fuses guys. You have 2 different fuse boxes. We'll be working in just one of them. We're talking about a fuse box on the inside of your Toyota Camry. If you come on the driver's side, under the dash on the left corner there, look upside down, you will notice that you have a fuse box, and if you open the cover, that's what it looks like. You have a white cover right here. Once you open it, that's your fuses. Before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here guys we'll need to check multiple fuses. So the first fuse that we'll need to check, okay, starting from the bottom here, will be fuse number 1. That's a 10 amp fuse right here, fuse number 1. Then you need to go to fuse number 7. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7.5 amp fuse as well, fuse number 7. After that, you're going to have fuse number 17 guys. So that's 39, then 14, 15, 16, 17. That 20 amp fuse right here is one of the main ones. Then fuse number 18 next to it. One is for the left seat, one is for the right seat. After that, you will need to check one more fuse, okay, and that's fuse number 36. That will be this 10 amp fuse right here that you will need to check for heated seats. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.